Mums, does your baby get hiccups a lot? Here's how to stop them quickly and safely. I'll show you the real reasons babies get hiccups and the simple tricks to make them go away fast. Why it happens. Baby's diaphragm is still developing, and feeding too quickly can trigger hiccups. How to prevent. Feed slowly and burp halfway through. Keep baby upright for 20-30 minutes after feeding. Avoid overfeeding. Quick relief tip. Offer a pacifier or gently rub baby's back in an upright position. This relaxes the diaphragm and stops hiccups naturally. Mums, save this tip for the next time your baby gets hiccups. Like, share and subscribe for more baby care hacks.